In today's real estate and facility management strategies, a top priority is implementing agile working methods to support hybrid workplace demands and sustainability goals. But many organizations experience a lack of data insights and transparency to achieve these goals. This is where smart sensors and analytics software can help. Planon Quickstart for Desk Occupancy Insights offers you the easiest, quickest and most affordable way to start gathering valuable insights into how your buildings are used. Result? Improve your space usage in a cost-effective and sustainable way. How do you install and get started with Planon Quickstart for Desk Occupancy Insights? With no training, your own staff can install these tiny, self-adhesive sensors anywhere within seconds. These sensors have some great advantages. They have great accuracy, a battery life between 5 and 15 years, no installation costs and no cabling costs, connected via 4G and no interference with IT infrastructure of organization. By plugging in cloud converters, the data from the sensors can be transmitted to the cloud and captured in the Planon Workplace Insights software. This connection has numerous advantages. Plug-and-play gateway, end-to-end secure solution, connected by 4G or LTE mobile connection or through your company's IT infrastructure. Information captured from the occupancy sensors is analyzed and conveniently displayed in Planon Workplace Insights. The data is displayed in real time and historic heat maps that are superimposed on your building floor plan. For detailed analysis, a set of occupancy charts is available. This helps you make the right decisions to optimize your spaces and align with employee needs. It also reduces unnecessary expenses by helping you manage energy usage and cleaning services based on actual space use. With Planon Quickstart for Desk Occupancy Insights, you're ready to make your buildings smart and sustainable, reduce real estate costs, and offer an engaging workplace for your employees. Are you struggling to collect meaningful insights to improve your workplace? Contact us to explore the possibilities for your organization.